Hello and welcome to my applied web project for creative media. This is based off of the Scream franchise, as you can see. My applied web project begins on a website I created using Webador. The website is called The Ghostface Files. As you can see, we are on the homepage. The user is greeted by a big image of the Ghostface mask covered in blood, with "What's your favourite scary movie?" written across, obviously the famous catchphrase of the Ghostface Killer. And at the bottom there is a small welcome given to the user of the site. There are 3 other pages. There's an about page, which gives a brief write-up on the people who created the site, the fictional people who created the site, I might add, in the fictional universe I created, about how they want to come together to solve, as an online community, to solve the Ghostface killings, because obviously these particular killings did not get solved by the police, or by anybody for that matter, and it's a cold case. There is also a timeline of events here, which gives a detailed rundown of the fictional events in universe of what happened, such as when each victim died, when the first suspect was arrested, and it even provides a link to the next part of the applied web project, which is on Instagram. So if we copy and paste that link here, as you can see, we've got this Instagram page dedicated to the victims of the Ghostface Killer. We've got images of the first victim, the second and third victim, and also the fourth victim here. I've written in the bio here that the events and the people are fictional, so as to not concern anybody. And then there's a video here, as it says at the end of the timeline, the Instagram page is hacked and taken over by someone claiming to be the Ghostface Killer. And that's this video here, someone dressed as Ghostface. The video is about 10 seconds long. And then there's a link here to a Twine game that I made based off of the Scream opening scene for the first Scream movie. So if we click Run Game, the phone is ringing. Now there are multiple different options here. You can pick it up or you can ignore it. Let's pick it up. Hello, what's your favourite scary movie? And you can either ask, who is this? I don't know. Or Halloween. Let's say we go with who is this? Just call me a horror fan. Now you can hang up or continue the conversation. Let's continue the conversation. Hey, do you want to play a game? What game? Horror quiz. Ask you 3 questions, but if you get one wrong, you die. Pretty straight to the point. And then you can either say, I'm calling the police, or fine, I'll play. Let's play. First question, name the killer doll in the Child's Play franchise. Chucky, Woody, or Howdy? As we all know, it's Chucky. Yes, very good. Next question, how many Saw movies are there? Now, I'm not the biggest Saw fan, to be honest with you, but to my knowledge, I believe it's 10. Well done. Final question, who am I? And obviously, this is not a mystery. This is not a murder, a mystery. This applied web project is not a mystery. It is, it's more of an experience than something. It's more of an experience that you interact with. I originally wanted there to be a mystery and it would conclude with this: well done, final question, who am I? And there would be multiple options here from the multiple suspects that would be mentioned on the website and on the Instagram page, but I just couldn't figure out a way to work it into the story. But we go with our only option here, which is I don't know. And then he says, sorry, that's the wrong answer. Hangs up. You hear a knock at the door. Investigate it. You see a tall person in a Ghostface costume. They stab you and you die. Finish game. So that was my applied web project. I used 3 different platforms, a website, Instagram, and itch.io. I hope you enjoyed this experience, and thank you very much for watching.